In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resume a Gumroad membership in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If you previously cancelled a Gumroad membership and want to start it again, you can usually resume it directly from your membership or library section. This allows you to regain access to the creator's membership content and benefits. Now, if you want to resume a Gumroad membership, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to the library section from your account dashboard. After that, look for the membership or creator subscription you previously cancelled. Then, open the membership details or manage membership section. Now, check whether there is a resume membership or reactivate option available. If the option appears, click on it and confirm the membership reactivation. After that, review your payment method and billing details to make sure everything is still valid because expired cards may prevent the membership from restarting. Then, confirm the payment if required and complete the process. If you do not see a resume option, you may need to subscribe to the membership again manually from the creator's page. Usually, membership reactivation issues happen because the subscription expired completely, the payment method failed, or the membership must be purchased again manually. That's it. By accessing your library and reopening the membership settings properly, you can resume your Gumroad membership and continue accessing your subscription content.